Hello friends, welcome to CLAT Simplified. Today we have brought a blood relation question and this is part 2. We have already uploaded part 1. You can go and check yourself and try to answer this question. So in this second part, we will also discuss 10 questions and after every question I will show you the explanation as well. But what you have to do is to pause the video once I dictate the question and try to solve this, and after a couple of seconds I will try to answer the question. So make sure you pause the video after I dictate the question and then I will reveal the answer of that particular question. So without wasting any time, let us go to the first question. So pointing towards a boy, Veena said, "He is the only son of my grandfather. How is that boy related to Veena?" So as I have mentioned, pause the video and try to answer this question. Always be ready with a pen and paper so you can solve this. So the correct answer of this question is option B, brother. In the next slide, I will provide you the explanation. Moving to the second question, introducing Rita, Sarika said, "She is the only daughter of my father's only daughter. How is Sarika related to Rita?" There are 4 options, and again you have to pause the video, try to solve this, and then I will reveal the answer. So the correct answer of this question is option D, none of this. So in the next slide you will be provided with the explanation. So moving to the third question, pointing to a boy, the woman said, "His mother is the only daughter of my mother. How is the woman related to the boy?" There are 4 options and you have to decide the correct one after solving this. Pause the video and try to solve this. So the correct answer of this question is option A, mother. Moving to the fourth question, if P is the brother of the son of Q's son, how is P related to Q? There are 4 options and you have to decide the correct one. So the correct answer of this question is option D, grandson. So I hope you all have got the correct answer. Moving to the explanation section. Fifth question says, pointing towards Ritika, Nirdosh said, "I am the only son of her mother's son. How is Ritika related to Nirdosh?" 4 options and then you have to decide the correct one. So the correct answer of this question is option A, aunt. Moving to the explanation section. So the sixth question says, pointing to a boy on the stage, Asi said, "He is the brother of the daughter of the wife of my husband. How is the boy on the stage related to Ashi?" This may take some time. So the correct answer of this question is option A, son. So moving to the explanation section in case you didn't get the correct answer. The question says, a girl introduces a boy as the son of the brother of her mother. How is the boy related to the girl? So the correct answer of this question is option C, cousin. I hope you all have paused the video and try to solve this. So moving to the explanation section again. Eighth question says, pointing to a man in a picture, Aisa said, his mother's only daughter is my mother. How is Aisa related to that man? So the correct answer of this question is option D, niece. So I hope you all have got the correct answer. So moving to the explanation section. Question 9 says, pointing towards a girl in the photograph, Pooja said, she is the mother of Jyoti, whose father is my son. How is Pooja related to the girl in the photograph? So the correct answer of this question is option D, none of this. So moving to the last question, but wait, before that we'll go to the explanation section. So the last question says, pointing to a woman on the station, Maya said, she is the sister of the father of my mother's son. Who is the woman to Maya? Option A, mother, option B, sister, option C, aunt, or option D, niece. So the correct answer of this question is option C, aunt. So I hope you all have got the correct answers. So I'll provide you the explanation, but before that I would like to so I hope you all have enjoyed this particular session. So we'll bring more parts in the future, so do subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.